This literature kit on Bridge to Terabithia by Katherine Patterson provides open-ended application and journal prompts to excite students about the reading. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Make a prediction on what the story will be about based solely on the front cover of the novel. Find the meaning of vocabulary words, then use each word in a sentence. Put events in order that led to the creation of Terabithia. Students describe how they would respond to someone bullying them. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as having students create their own imaginary place like Terabithia. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Keep track of events as they happen month by month in the novel with an events calendar graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.